让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, and it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this whole month with Alice, we're teaching you a very practical phrase to take some time off, and that is 请假.
请假.
请假, okay, that is to apply for some time off. Okay, 请假有好多状况哦，可能只是要去玩，可能几天，也有可能几个小时办点事情，生病看个医生。也要请假，还有什么？
要陪老婆生产也要请假了，
对，
要作伴。
这个我还没有想到，对，老公也要跟着请假。That's right. Maybe the husband needs to take some time off because his wife is going to go into labor next week. Okay, let's hear a conversation like that here.
我下個禮拜要請假，
我現在了呢。
我本娘會講咧，我要做阿爸咧。
第一句話就是我下禮拜要請假。Next week I'm going to take some time off.
我下個禮拜我要請假。
我要請假。下個禮拜就是下個禮拜。對 ，that means next week I have to take some time off. 請假。And then 你要去哪裡玩啊？
我現在了呢。
我現在了呢。
為什麼不告訴我？
對啊，你要去哪裡玩？Where are you going for your vacation, right? And then the person says, oh, no, because my wife is going to go in labor and I'm going to be a dad. 我老婆要生了，我要当爸爸了。
我本娘會講咧。
我本娘會講咧。
我要做阿爸咧。
我要做阿爸咧。嘿，我要做阿爸啦。
阿爸咧。
阿爸咧 ，OK， 阿爸 that means daddy 嘛，就爸爸的意思 ，OK。我要做就是我要做。Okay, I'm going to become a dad because my wife, 老婆，
本娘
is going to go into labor. 要生了。供就是生 to give birth to a son or daughter. 啊，太棒了，恭喜他了哈。好，我们来复习几个实用的单字，包括下礼拜。
下個禮拜
that means next week. And then 老婆，
本娘
And then 當爸爸就是爸爸。
阿爸
okay, that is dad, to become a dad in this scenario. All right, let's hear the conversation again.
我下個禮拜要請假，
我現在了呢。
我本娘會講咧，我要做阿爸咧。
And this month, how to take time off? Say 請假。
請假
That's taking time off, take a vacation, either way. That does today's Practical Hakka.
是母大家。
只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.